Hi guys, in this tip I will try my hands to explain to you cloned smart object layers and how to use them in Adobe Photoshop. The starting point is smart object layer in the Photoshop document. The content of the smart object layer can be anything that can be converted to smart object. To create cloned smart object layer, use Ctrl or Command plus J keyboard shortcut, duplicate layer command, or with the move tool active, press Alt or Option on your keyboard and drag. Cloned smart object layers have linked content internally inside Photoshop document. If you alter or update content on any cloned smart object layer, that will update content on all other cloned instances. One way to edit content of the smart object layer is to double-click on the smart object layer thumbnail. Photoshop will open content for edits in separate tab. What you see on your screen and in the Layers panel in editing mode is content which is linked. Let me quickly apply adjustment and save changes. Here is the result after modifying content of one of the cloned smart object layers. Let me mention again that only content is linked. Transformations, filters, masks, and so on are not linked or connected. To demonstrate this, I will transform cloned smart object layers and apply filter and layer effects. Now let me update content on one of the cloned smart object layers. It doesn't matter which smart object content is updated. It can be parent or any of the children. As you can see, content is automatically updated while layer effects and filters are reapplied separately without to affect other cloned instance. Lastly, let me mention that there aren't any limitations in terms of number of cloned smart object layers per document. This feature can be useful when creating templates, designing web pages, previewing your favorite filters or adjustments, and so on. Thanks for watching and cheers. If you like my videos, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.